Have you ever manifested something and felt so frustrated because it didn't go as planned? Well, in this video, I'm giving you 6 very powerful tips that will help you accept everything that shows up in your world. So whether you're new to manifesting or just feeling stuck, these tips will help you embrace and trust the process, even when things don't seem perfect. Shifting your mindset to using gratitude as a tool for acceptance, these tips will transform how you react to anything that shows up in your life. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you will feel empowered to handle whatever comes your way. So without delay, here is tip number 1. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness. And what I mean by that is just be aware of your feelings, but not controlled by them, okay? Don't succumb to fears of fear and desperation. Just be mindful of them. Just don't lose yourself in all the negative thoughts that come your way, okay? So we're going to now go to tip number 2, which is maintain an open mind, okay? Be willing to consider new ideas, new perspectives, new experiences. Stay curious, okay? Because this allows yourself to grow. Tip number 3. Keep a manifesting journal. Okay, I keep one, and so should you. Okay, document and script all your thoughts. This is really effective for tracking your spiritual progress and then going back in time and maybe changing and fine-tuning what you need to change in your affirmations. Because you want your affirmations, your thoughts and feelings to be in alignment with your current desires and ideal life. Okay, tip number 4, reframe challenges. Try not to view challenges as setbacks or even threats. Okay, try to see that they're experiences that can help you grow. Okay, tip number 5, and this is a very important tip. Trust the process, okay? This means have a belief that what you desire will come to fruition in the right time, in the right way, okay? Let your manifestations unfold naturally, okay? Just go with the flow of your manifestations and surrender the need for instant gratifications. Okay, last but not least is tip number 6. Stay positive and patient, okay? Cultivate a positive mindset. Manifesting takes time, okay? Be patient because, learning to manifest what you truly desire is a timing process. Now, if you're new to manifesting, realize there may be times your emotions will swell up, okay, and become overwhelming. So that is why I am going to be creating my next video. I will be explaining in my upcoming video that I'm posting tomorrow why it is not only okay to feel your emotions, but I will also take it a step further. I will explain why feeling your emotions is so powerful. Okay, I will give you specific tips that will give you and help you to harness the power from your emotions so you can quickly manifest your desires. Okay, so like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.